They say you don't need a silver fork to enjoy a good meal. For a normal person, a good meal need not be very expensive. Most of the times, a pizza or Dal Makhani are enough to make us happy, but there are people who order outstandingly expensive foods because, well, simply because they can. Here are the world's most expensive foods which you can't afford. Number 5. Nino's Bellissima Pizza. $1,000 per pizza. With a creme fraiche base and 4 types of caviar with lobster tail, this pizza is topped with salmon roe and a dash of wasabi. Number 4. Zillion lobster frittata. $1,000 frittata. For the making of this premium frittata, 10 ounces of caviar and 1 pound of lobster is covered with egg and put on a bed of fried potatoes. Number 3. European white truffles. $3,600 per pound. A truffle is a strong-smelling underground fungus that resembles an irregular, rough-skinned potato. These special white truffles are found at the base of oak trees in France and Italy. These are hunted by truffle hunters who have specially trained dogs for the same purpose. Number 2. Alma's Caviar. $34,000 per tin. The Alma's Caviar is an extremely rare food item from Iran. The only store known to carry this item is the Caviar House in Premier, located in Piccadilly in London. These are light gold in color and are sold in a tin made of 24-karat gold. Number 1. Linda Pao Pudding. $34,531 per pudding. This dessert tops the list of most expensive foods. It is made from high-end Belgian chocolate, gold, caviar, and a 2-carat diamond. It is served in an edible replica of a Fabergé egg. Did you ever taste these items? If yes, then comment and share your experience with us. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.